How to log in into Walmart Career Portal. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you're gonna find the search box, type in Walmart Careers and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Navigate to the very first one website option, careers.walmart.com, open it. With that, you'll be directed to the official website of it. Once you're on the website, at the top left corner, you're gonna find three bars, click on that. Navigate to the option of login. Now here you're gonna find different sections: supply chain, corporate, Sam's Club, and Walmart stores. Go ahead and select for the option that you wanna log in. Just click on it. Check in for the option I agree with the terms and conditions and then click on continue. You will get two options: new candidates and returning candidates. Click on the option of login with your email for the returning candidates. Now provide your credentials, type in your email address, type in your password. In the case you have forgotten the password, you can click on this option to recover it. After you provide these details, click on sign in, and just with that you will be logged into your account. So this way you can easily log in into Walmart Careers account. This was really simple and quick process. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.